a 12-year-old girl presents to the pediatric dermatologist with an expanding but otherwise asymptomatic erythematous patch on her right shoulder, which she first noticed 3 days ago. The girl states that the rash started as a small red bump but has gradually progressed to its current size. No similar lesions were observed elsewhere by her mother. She has felt ill, and her mother detected intermittent low-grade fevers. During the skin examination, a target-like erythematous rash approximately 7 centimeters in diameter was noted on the left shoulder. Another notable finding was axillary lymphadenopathy. On further questioning, it was revealed that she went camping approximately 11 days ago. However, she does not recall any insect bites or exposure to animals. Family has a pet cat living in the household based on the findings, which is the most likely diagnosis. So this is the image. These are the options. So this is something which is very, very easy and very, very direct. Doesn't need any discussion at all. Anyone wants to give me a quick answer? What is this? Yes. And the microorganism which causes this? And the carrier? This is basically your erythema migrans rash. Okay. This is a very specific kind of rash. It looks like a target lesion, like bullseye or maybe targetoid or something, whatever you want to call. It's very typical to your Lyme disease. And Lyme disease is usually, whenever there's a question talking about Lyme disease, they will firstly generally talk about a rash. It usually starts with a small bump, okay? And then after that small bump or papule or whatever, it then turns into a target-like erythematous rash, as mentioned in the question. The question description is also very typical, okay? And after that, there will always be some kind of history of camping. See, over here it's mentioned there's a history of camping 11 days ago. Okay, and tick bites are so small that you do not recall it. So don't get confused if it's written that she does not recall any insect bites or exposure to animals. Don't worry about it. Okay, and this family has a pet cat and all this stuff is meant to confuse you. Okay, once you see this rash, you can go through the question and it will confirm your diagnosis. Okay, there's a history of camping, as I mentioned. Then there is patient might not be aware of the bite. Okay, they'll just have intermediate low-grade fevers, and the tick causing it is ixodes tick. All right.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.